Hey guys, it's Michaela and welcome back to my channel. Today we've got a Burlington and an IKEA haul. Just some home items that we're needing, so I just figured I'd go ahead and show you guys what I picked up. Bathrooms are each needing new trash cans, so I picked up this pink one here for the guest bathroom, and then this one here I thought it would have been cute with the kind of taupey rosy tones in the master. I picked up some what are these called, some bath mats for the master bathroom. It came in a set of 2. I also picked up some gray towels for the guest bathroom. They say Faith, Friends, and Blessed. I thought these were super cute. And then I also picked up some new towels for the master. I got from Burlington, I got these curtains, these blackout curtains for our room. A set of these curtains for like the living room and the dining room. I figured the white would just be nice and bright for the room. And then for little man's room, we got these Nautica Home gray curtains, just some nice blackout curtains I thought would be super pretty in his room. Or cute, handsome for his room. Picked up some additional towels for the guest bathroom, some nice wash rags for our bathroom. The big thing, we got this bed and a new mattress. This was our big IKEA find that this is what we wanted to go look for. We bought it. We wanted it nice and low to the ground just for the sake of getting up in the middle of the night with new baby. We've had larger beds in the past and it just was uncomfortable and I did not like it at all. So I figured this would be great for just getting up in the middle of the night and then just letting the kids be able to hang out with us on the bed as well. We got from IKEA. We were so excited. Been waiting to get a new bed for a long time now, so we are so excited to be getting it, and as well as some other home decor items. We are just so excited. We're letting the mattress just kind of air up right now. I guess you're supposed to give it a few days or a week or something before sleeping on it. So that's what we're currently doing, and we're excited. So with that, I hope you would subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and I will see you in the next one. God bless, and bye guys.